This is a salad. I got them from Sam's Club. They're called Organic Spring Mix. What we're going to do is we're going to mix a mango with it, a delicious avocado, and this is the fruit you were wondering about. So come and see how I put this together. Welcome to Healthy Vegan Living!
Pomegranate. Pomegranate.
Okay, the first thing we're going to do is we're going to cut the avocado. Just up a knife, make sure it's sharp. Cut the skin open. These are very, very ripe. And it's a little bit sore, but we're going to use a lot of it. That's how you get that seed out. Not exactly avocado time, so we're happy that we can even find them. Okay, I'm going to pull this out. Now what's cool, it's a hard skin, so what you can do is you can cut it ahead of time and dice it ahead of time. Same thing for the other side. But we're going to save this avocado for later, for another salad. I'm going to lay it right on top of the organic spring mix, like that. Okay, that's about it right there. Okay, so we're going to cut these up and we'll mix those up eventually. Next we're going to use the mango, the very, very ripe mango. That's what we want to see. It's got a hard skin, so you can score it in the skin. You just have to be careful not to cut yourself or your palm, so you're holding it in your palm. If you're not sure with this, use a cutting board. And take your salad, use your fingers, and just pull it out like that. Now another easier way to this is to use a glass. That cuts it much nicer, because then you don't destroy your fruit like I just did with my fingers. Just kind of spread it around. Now many people, what they do is they eat the entire seed, but I'm going to show you what it looks like. You open it up. Now you've got to be careful about this because it stains. Just like beets, this stains too. Carefully move your bowl to one side like this, and you use your hand and you can pry them off out of there. Now this white stuff is a little bit bitter and it doesn't taste good, so you just want to get the seeds out, and this gives your salad a delicious look, almost like Christmassy look. Very good for you, full of vitamins, and you can follow as you're cutting it, you can allow the juice to fall in your salad. Okay, so we're going to cut it in half again. This is the $2 knife I got at a 99-cent store, in case you're wondering. Now you don't want to eat this white stuff here on the top, but you do want to eat the berries that are on the bottom, so sometimes you just pry them loose like this. You see how they're falling into place? And you can add them in your salad. So today, normally I would use a balsamic vinaigrette, which is normally what I use, but I'm going to introduce Virginia Boar Vidalia onion vinaigrette, dressing, marinade, veggie dip. That's what it's for. So we're going to try this out. It comes in a 2 kit, and the ingredients are vegetable oil, soybean and canola, water, sugar, distilled vinegar, onions, yellow mustard, distilled vinegar for that, water, mustard seed, salt, turmeric, paprika, spices, garlic powder, salt, dried onions, natural spices, gum, and some preservative, natural color added. Alright, it's a product of USA. So then what we're going to do is we're going to open the top. Should be something easy to open it up with, like this. I'm going to shake it a little bit. And the first thing we're going to do is we're going to taste it. So it's a new product. I know what the other one tastes like. Oh, that might be a little too much. I'll pour it over on top. Oh, it's got a very nice sweet taste. So we're going to put just a little bit on the top, like that. And just when I get ready to eat it, what I'll do is I'll mix it all together. Okay, so that's tonight's salad. Thank you for coming and watch my delicious dinner, and I look forward to seeing you soon in our next video. If you like this channel, please subscribe. If you like this video, give us a thumbs up. Thank you for watching.